Hi folks, today I would like to show you a little hint about how to make this lens HELIOS 44m-4 friendly for filmmakers. Just the aperture here moves with the bold clicks, and of course it is unwanted while shooting the video, while you are working with in video mode. So I will show you how to remove the ball inside the lens in order to make the aperture move smoothly. So basically you just need to do this only a set of screwdrivers, as I have them here. This is in standard mode. In endless mode you will need also a grease, a dense grease. This is a lithium based dense grease in order to lubricate the aperture ring, to make it move really smoothly. So let's start. Just there are 4 screws. We need to remove all 4 of them. Once it's done, you remove the back cover. There is also an aperture pusher pin here. Its place is here, like this. You see? Please check my another video in the link below. I explain how to fix this pusher pin in pushed position. This is in the case if you don't have appropriate adapter, because this one has to be pushed in order make the aperture blades move. So here we have something like this. You just pull the ring and you have it in your hands. And what we can see, near the markings there is just a little ball. It makes aperture ring to move with the clicks. We need to remove it. If you have a magnet, it's much more easier, because you just approach your magnet to the ball and it comes out. In my case, I don't have a magnet with me, so we need to make more complicated manipulation, but still nothing to worry about. So first of all, please focus your lens to infinity in this position. It will help us to reassemble it in proper way much more easily. So there are 3 screws, 1, 2 and 3. We need to remove them. One, 2 and 3. Then you just pull the back part of the lens like this. You see? The optical block with focus block, we put it aside. We do not need it for a while. And let's examine this part. Here we have our little ball, and from another side you see this. This is a holding mechanism of the ball. So you just, with this little screwdriver, you just put screwdriver like this, and you push from another side your ball, and it comes out, you see? So basically we have done the work. Now we need to reassemble the lens. So to reassemble the lens, you just take this part, you just take the optical block you check up the red marking should be aligned with infinity, and there is also a hole for the screw. Okay, and another thing, there is a little fork here, and there is a pin which moves the aperture blades. You need to put them together like this. You see, it's important. Then you just align the markings, infinity to red marking, and you put them together, and you check up if the hole is on its place. Yes, and you just can screw the screws in. One, two, and three. Here you have. Now let's put the aperture ring on its place. You find your red marking and you find the markings on the ring, okay? So the way how it should be, in this way. Not like this, but in this way. Then you find the little pin here, and there is a groove on the focus ring. You need to align them and put together like this. Here you have. Ring is moving without clicks, nothing. So this is a standard way to do. But if you want your ring to move really smoothly, you just need to put a bit of grease on this surface. A dense grease. Like here I have little lithium based grease. And you just take the grease and you just put a little bit of grease on this surface like this. Here we have. Now you just assemble the ring in the way I just showed you. And you remove the remains of the grease. Now ring is moving much better. Then you just need to put the rear lens part on its place. There is an aperture pusher here. It should be aligned with this pin. You just align them together. You see? Like this. You put it and you find the holes. Yes, the holes are here. And you put the screws inside and screw them in. One, two, three, and four. You have done. So you have smooth clickless aperture ring, and you have reassembled the lens in the proper way. So that's it, folks. Hope it was useful. This is Retro Photo House. We are working for you, for your satisfaction. If you need just cleaned and lubricated Soviet and German lenses, please visit my eBay store. The links are below. Thank you for your attention. Bye bye.